Now we are inviting a dynamic personality, friendly in nature, our special invitee, Dr. V. Vamshidhar Reddy Garu on stage. So now we are eager to hear from him and learn from his wisdom and experience. So now I would like to request again a special invitee, Dr. V. Vamshidhar Reddy Garu, pediatrician on stage. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello? Yeah. Am I audible to you all? Yeah. I'm Dr. Vamshi, pediatrician. So the first, I don't bore you much. It's already midnight. I'm sorry. Fine. So the first and foremost important issues in school is health and education for all kids. And I'll quote a single line. For all adult problems lies in the pediatric ages. If a healthy kid, if he is not being taken care well, he won't be a healthy adult. So my kind request for you all parents is take much care about your kid in the nutrition wise and in the playing and all. Nowadays no kid is playing outside in the sunlight. Where is the vitamin D and where is the calcium supplementation he will be having from? So encourage the kids in playing outside even 5-10 minutes a day in the sunlight. It is a must. And one more issue is all the kids are addicted with the phones and iPads and laptops. I'm sorry to say most of the headaches, most of the eye problems in the pediatric populations, I'm seeing many are only from the phone usages. Everyone and the parents are also in the Instagram and the kids are also in the Instagrams. Alas, where are we going? First class kid also seeing the Instagram reels and the parents are also seeing the Instagram reels side by side. And the parents, we have to be the role model for our kids. Who else? So first, as the parents, we have to change ourselves. Okay? And the secondly, nowadays so many infections, so the virus infections, COVID and all are emerging and re-emerging again and again. Many parents ask me, sir, is there any medicine for the immunity? No medicine for immunity. Best food is the only medicine for the immunity. So never ever ask a pediatrician or a doctor, sir, I want a medicine for immunity. There is no shortcut for immunity. Immunity happens from the food, from the good food like the vegetables, leafy vegetables and the fruits, and no more junk foods, no more outside foods. Yep. And all the parents complain, sir, my child is not at all eating food, not at all eating egg and everything. How can he eat food? If you are not eating homemade food as the parent, how can your child eat it? So you are the role model for your kid. So practice should start from the parents and the child will follow you. Okay? And I'll explain you a simple example. Constipation. Have you all know the constipation? Malabaddakam. Motion సాఫీగా వెళ్ళకపోవడము. ఒక చిన్న మలబద్ధకం అనే ఇష్యూ అది పిల్లల్లో గనక ఉంటే ఇట్ మే లీడ్ టు ద యాంగ్జైటీ న్యూరోసిస్ ఇన్ ద అడల్ట్హుడ్. సో we can treat it in the school age, but if we neglect it, it will make him nervous and anxiety and may cause him the stage fearing personality in the future. So concentrate on your kid. What is he doing? What is he eating? Is he playing or not? And foremost is health is the only single best investment as a parent you all will do. No money, no crores, no lakhs will buy back a happy and healthy kid. Please remember this, healthy kid is a happy kid. no more like earning monies and all. It comes in the secondaries. Yep. And yeah, happy to see you all here, and I think there are many more programs are ahead, so I am finishing my short and sweet speech here. All the best for you all, and thank you, sir, for inviting me here. Yep.